Okay guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek of our build.
Hey guys.
Put the rocks down. Stop making a mess of your hand.
Oh, I have gloves on. That's what I do them.
I didn't ask you what you have on. Okay, so we have this is our garage slab.
This is perfect.
And we have a basement. We have a basement, got a window, and then this is the longer portion of our basement. And this is how far we got so far.
Mommy, can I go in here?
Huh?
Can I actually go in here?
Oh. So I'll see you guys
This is our back.
next week. Good morning guys. It's been a while. It's been a few days. Actually, it's been more than a few days. The vlog that you guys just saw, it's old. It's like a few weeks old, but I was like, I gotta post it. I look washed out, but it's because I'm standing by the window. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. The kids have spring break. Today is Friday. Don't mind this thing on my hair. You guys know my hair situation. Fell out in the back, and you know, now it's struggling to stay up in a ponytail. I mean, I have a lot of hair in the center, but what am I gonna do with the hair in the center? It can't even be put down, or I'm rambling. But you guys expect that. I haven't seen you guys in a while. One of my subscribers, oh, she's so near and dear to my heart. She sent me a card and $20 to Walmart, and I've been asking my husband to take me to go to Walmart because I want to spend it, you know, because your girl here is on a no spend situation, because you know the house situation is just making me feel like I'm going crazy. If you can relate, comment down below if you can relate to this. Oh god, children are here. You want to see the kids? Hold on. Mommy. Good morning, Jackson. Yes, baby. You're so handsome. Good morning, Madison. Good morning. Yes, good morning. How are you? Don't mind the mess on the floor. Any mess you see on the floor belongs to that little one. Yes, say I'm talking now. I know you're talking. She loves the camera. You want to say hi? No, you can't have the camera. You can't. You want to give them our old favorite? You want to do affirmation? You want to do affirmation? Maddie? Maddie? No, you can't have the camera. Big girl. So, I don't know what we're doing. My mother-in-law is here. Yay! My mother-in-law is here. I'm about to go make her some breakfast. I'm about to go make her some breakfast. I wanted to take her to High Hop, but I think I'm gonna wait for my husband to get home because he gets home from work around 12. He gets home from work around 12. I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you doing? Give it to me. Give it to me. You get. I'm not gonna chase you. Give it to me. I'm not chasing you. Thank you, Aliyah. No, don't do that. Oh. No. You know. You know. You know. Can you guys believe that? I'm chasing Maddie around the house for things now. Like, a year ago, this little thing couldn't even move. And now I'm chasing. Now I'm chasing you. What's this on your face? Come here. Say hi to tell the sunshine what's wrong. What's wrong? You can't put makeup on. Wipe your tears with your sock. Oh, we're gonna wipe your tears with your sock. Okay, wanna talk to the sunshine? Say hi, guys. You're so sad. Oh. Oh, come here. Don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry. Don't cry. Give them kisses. Say, give me kisses. No. Oh. She's still sad. Okay, come here. I know. I know. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay, I promise. Yes. Yes. It's okay. You wanna talk to them now? Yes. What do you wanna say to them? Yes. Are you telling them? Okay. Oh, guys, Maddie's talking to you guys. You guys have to talk back to her. Go ahead. Tell them. Oh. Now she wants a hug. Okay, you just want a hug? What? You're still talking to them? Yes, they care about you a whole lot. Say both kisses. To kisses, sunshines. Yes, kisses for my sunshines. Kisses for my sunshinies. To kisses. I still can't believe that I'm chasing a 1-year-old around the house. Like, say I will be 2 years old this year, guys. 2 years old. I can't believe it. No, not yet. What's the matter? Stop it. Say bye, guys.
When is your birthday?
Oh, guys, I meant to tell you guys something. Listen to this. A week ago, I was almost at 5,000. I was almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I am 50. By the time you guys see this video, I'll be over 6,000 subscribers. And I just wanted to take a time out to say thank you to each and every one of you that decided to subscribe. Grant you, the lunch videos have slowed down because my daughter and my son go back and forth between whether or not they want to take lunch to school. So majority of the time they eat school lunch. So they're just funny like that. So I don't force them, you know, to. But anyways, thank you guys so much for your support, for every single one that tuned in. I remember when I was at 50 subscribers and I was like, man, I can't wait to get to 500, and now I'm sitting at 6,000, and it's just so unreal, you know, so unreal. But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have to it feels so awkward now to pick out the camera. I feel so out of it. I was like, that's so weird. But anyways, I'm getting ready to go to Jason's appointment. Jason has an appointment, a follow-up appointment from his surgery that he did a few weeks ago, and we're getting ready to take him for his follow-up. He's ready. I'm taking Madison. My mother-in-law is gonna watch the other 3 kids, and yeah, you guys want to come? It's gonna rain, guys. It's like 1:33. Our appointment was at 1:30. It rained already, I know, but it looks like it's going to rain again. They said it was supposed to rain at 1, not 2. So either way, I love the rain. You guys love the rain? I love when it rains. Say hi, hubby. Say hi to the sunshines. He's eating right now, guys. He doesn't like to talk when he has food in his mouth. Me, on the other hand, I don't care, and you guys know I don't care. I was supposed to go to Walmart. You want to take me to Walmart, honey?
No.
The verdict's in. I'm not going to Walmart. Why you don't want to take me to Walmart? What do you have against Walmart, husband?
No.
You do have something against Walmart. Anyways, I'll see you guys at Jason's appointment. Hi, Madison. Hi. Are you ready to go, baby?
Yeah, so you gotta pay back 10.
Hi, come on. Come on. Babe, can you take Maddie?
You're supposed to wash, like scrub. You never do that?
Get in the elevator.
Huh? What number is it?
3.
You never scrub? Never?
The conversation that they're having is, I'll tell you guys what the conversation is later, but it was funny. Look at JJ. He's like, I don't want to have this conversation with you, Dad. Oh, that's so funny. Look at this face. It's this way, honey. Camera.
Camera's on.
What are you here for?
Hello everybody.
Hi, doctor.
How's everybody doing?
Good. So, appointment went well, right, JJ?
Yes.
So, his next appointment is in 3 months. I thought it was 6, but it's 3.
It's 6 months.
Going down.
Going up, going down.
So, like I was saying, his next appointment is in 3 months.
Yes.
And I'm excited. He's healing really well, right? He's healing really well, and his doctor is impressed. So if he's impressed, then I'm impressed too. Maddie! All I saw was her little butt. Okay, this is what he was saying. He's saying he can come back in 3 months and we can do the surgery because he's healing so well. Or we can wait 6 months and do it. But I would rather do it sooner than later, you know. July works because he's out of school. 6 months, what's that? August, September, October-ish. He's still in school, and I don't want to have to pull him out of school, and it's a brand new school. They're not used to him and all that. So I'd rather him do it in July, heal, and then, you know. Anyways, guys, so appointment went well. And I'm content. I'm content. My husband was looking at me like, you don't look so happy. But it's not about being happy now. It's about rolling with the punches when it comes to little man back there. That's all we can do. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in a little bit.